Hello family. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending where you're watching me from. My name is Baby Caro, and in case you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing for more amazing video from this side. I'm coming live from African Serenity Garden, and today is a special day. Today is date 30th, and tomorrow you'll be finishing the year 2024, and we'll be heading to a new year in 2025. Yeah, so tomorrow is the last day of 2024. I hope you had a very nice year, and I'm glad we are coming to an end. And in case maybe let's say you had some plans and they didn't get to achieve in this year, 2025 will be your year, and may all your dreams be fulfilled in Jesus' name. So right now I'm heading to the kitchen place, and we are going to prepare something special on the other side. Oh, I forgot the chair, the cutting place. This cooking oil, and this is my chair here. So today we are going to prepare something special, popular African food. And today I'm so happy because we are going to cook for the first time on our new kitchen place. I've never got to prepare the kitchen which Shaban made, so today will be my first day. I can't get, like, I'm so eager to use it because right now it's not that dry, but it's so dry from outside. From the inside it's remaining just small, but with this one I can light up the fire so that even if I cook, that fire will make it dry faster from the inside. So today we are going to cook from our kitchen made by Shaban, and wow, here it is, fully dried, made in Freestyle Shaban. So this is it. It's dry from outside, like very dry. From the inside it's dry, it's just remaining a little bit. With this one, I know it will take hard time to light the fire because it's kind of, wet, and being the first time it has never been used. So I think we are going to make some wood ash. We are going to pour it inside here so that to make the room at least become easier to light. So I'll bring a djembe. We'll take the wood ash from this side here. Remember in Christmas, this is where we cooked. It was our kitchen place, and it really helped a lot because we used the big sufuria to prepare for a big family. The kids were here and we really enjoyed. They had made two places together with this one here. So I'm going to bring either a spade or a djembe, then I'll transfer the wood ash to the other place. Yeah, the djembe is just inside here, the new house. Today the sun is so hot, but I'm glad we are going to cook from the inside where it's super cool because there is no sun entering inside. Yeah, this is a place where they've stored so many things, the tools which the masons were using. So let me look for spade. I'm going to use this one since I didn't find the djembe. So I'm going to take the ash. So we're sprinkling it such that when we try to light it up, I want it to enter on the inside. I think this one is enough. So I'm going to spread it. I don't know if you can see from the inside here. Okay. So by doing like this, I'm making it to become easier to light because the place is cold from down. So like this, I think we are good to go. So let me show what we have today, what we are going to prepare. Today we have this is sweet potato. I'm going to wash them, peel them and wash them. We have some ingredients: green pepper, tomato, onion, Royco, and mixed spice. So, and here we have some beans. Yeah, so right away I'm going to start by peeling our tomato. So I'm going to put everything together, then we'll have to start our cooking. Today I'm preparing a very unique food. You'll get to see it and you'll also get to love it. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe. I feel like something is working on my hand. Oh, it's this one. Yeah, so watch this video till the end. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Wagwan. So right now we are going to peel our, oh, this is sweet potato. I was almost saying the Irish potato. So we are going to peel them, then we'll put them here. Yeah, so let me put it here. So next we are going to chop them into small pieces. This is sweet potato. Very small pieces. Let me show you. Oh, it's very hard. So we're going again to cut them like this, small pieces. So right now we are done making our potatoes. I'm going to pour them inside the water. So next we are going to cut our ingredients, which are here. So we're going to wash them, then we are going to cut them. So we're going to cut our ingredients. I'm starting with the onion. This is our last meal in 2024. It's our last meal. So we are going again to start to cook in January. The Irish potato, we are going to peel them. This is for beans. So for Irish, I'm going, because I want it to disappear completely when we'll fry them. So I'm going to peel like this. Then cut it. So these are our ingredients. Here we'll cut, and this is our tomato. This is peeled tomato, and this one is fresh tomato. Oh, I've just remembered while I've finished cutting, but next time I'll try it. Someone told me when I want to cut the tomatoes to peel them so easily, I put them in warm water. Next time I'll try it. I just remembered right now when I've finished cutting. Yeah, so these are our tomatoes. So next we are going to wash our sweet potatoes. We are going to put them in a clean bowl. So I'm going to wash them clean, and you're going to rinse them. I'm trying to look for some grass. This is the one which they used to put here at the rooftop, so I'm looking for these ones which fell down while they were preparing. So these ones are usually good when lighting up the fire, because right now they are dried up. So when you want to start the fire, they light up so well. So we are going to start with this one here. We are going to try on our new jiko, which I think I put them from up here. Like this. Wow. So like this, then I'm going to put some small sticks. I'm going to start with these ones here. So this is my first time I'm trying this jiko. I don't know if they use them this way, but I think so. I think you have to put from the upper like this. So I'm going to arrange these small sticks. I just hope it lights up because it's kind of wet. So I think after it lights up, I'll now put these bigger ones. Yeah, so let's light up our fire. Wow. So like this, these are the grass. It's catching up fire so easily. So I'm going to put the small sticks from the, let me put from the down side. Wow, it's like an oven. So I'm going to add this bigger one so that the fire can't go off like this. And the goodness, it just has a one opening. This is cooking oil. We're going to pour it. And I love the fact the smoke, it's coming out from the holes which he made. You see, there's some smoke coming out from these holes. Wow, it's so nice. Clean water, so we are going to put some little salt. We are going to mix here on our water. Yeah, so we are going to mix it like this. I was testing for the oil and I think it's ready. So let me remove this one, then I'll pour the rest of the potatoes inside. Them after they get ready. This is the remain of the foil. The day when we had the celebration, we used this one to cover the food. So when they get ready, I'll get to put them inside here like this. We are going to remove it from the fire. So we are going to put them here, inside here. I'm trying to drain off the cooking oil from here, so it's ready. Fire here, it's still lighting up. I know this place, it's so hot, you can't now touch with your bare hands. Yeah, so even right now, if I want to roast some maize, I can bring and roast it. If I want to cook like anything else, I can still do it. So right now we are going to fry our Irish. This is how they look like. They are so hot. So hot. Not Irish, sweet potato, sorry. Yeah, so right now we are going to fry them. This is how they look like. Yeah, so my ingredients are ready, so let's get to fry it. Then we'll finish with our beans, then our meal will be ready. The sun is so hot on the outside, like so hot, but right here it's so cool. It's so cool. Yeah, the chimney, they are working out so well. These small holes, they are letting off the hair. Like, yeah, they are hot inside. Mostly this one is the one which removes a lot of smoke. This one I saw it removing little. Yeah, because I think when you put the fire out, it goes to this corner. That's why a lot of smoke is coming from this side. Yeah, so let's fry our meal. So right now we are going to put some, this is onion. So the green pepper, someone told me I should put it last, green pepper. So I'm not going to put green pepper today. I was told it loses the nutrients when it overcook. So next we are going to put some tomato. It was the mashed potato which you are going to put. So next we are going to turn it. You're going to put this is turmeric, Royco turmeric. You're going to put a little, just like that. This is mixed spices. And we are going to turn it. So it's like a paste. Now we are going to pour our sweet potatoes. I'm going to put green pepper, just a little. I'm going to put some little, actually our pot is fitting here so well. It's so tiny, but it's fitting. Going to put some little cooking oil, just little. So right now our meal is ready. I'm going to show you. I've already served our meal. This is sweet potatoes and beans, and these are our plates here. And today we received some special visitors, so we are going to enjoy the meal together with them. So before that, I'll let them say hi to you, then they'll eat their meal. Hello.
Hello. How are you? Hi guys, welcome back to Baby Caro's YouTube channel. Today I can feel some aroma, nice aroma. So we are waiting actually for, she said we be ready. We eat fast before the food becomes cold, and I think the food is a tick because she always cook delicious meal. So guys, kindly watch this till the end, and I can't wait to eat this meal. Welcome, and we love you. Welcome.
Yeah, what's up guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Baby Caro YouTube channel. My name is Nasto. Today we are here, and luckily we found them already in the process of cooking. You know, they always say that if you go to a home and you find them that they're washing now their hands, they're finished eating. Trust me.
Even if you are
Either
full,
you
have
or
to
them.
eat.
Yeah, it means bad luck. Yeah, either one of you is always talking bad about each other.
Yeah.
So at least if you go to a home and you find them serving, always know that you people are in good terms. So we're happy to be here. It's midday, it's around lunchtime, and the compound really looks good. I love Baby Caro's kitchen. It's very good. I'll copy the idea of the Jiko so that I can go and also make it in my home. So
Big
enjoy.
one or the
Even
clay
the
one?
even the either brick. I'm trying to look for someone who can build the brick one. I don't know if I'll find.
Shaban knows.
Oh, he knows.
Said
Yeah.
he knows to make the clay stove and also
also the brick
The brick one.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Thank you. So also they always tell you that tembe won. Yeah, you see, the more you walk to
The
people's
more you
places,
see.
yeah, the more you see and also you learn.
Yeah.
So you see the problem that I've been having, at least now it can be solved. Yeah. So subscribe to Baby Caro. Let's get her to 10K. Or we are past 10K.
No.
Yeah, let's get her to 10K. Also check me out at It's Nasto. Check out Diana Kemi here. Yeah, and everyone who supports YouTubers. So thank you so much.
Welcome. Thank you also for visiting.
All right.
And here we also have a special visitor.
Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to Baby Caro's channel. I'm new here, and girl, I love your outfit.
Thank
your
you.
hairstyle. You look like an African queen.
Thank you.
And you're looking beautiful. So I'm a content creator by the name Everything with Lobito. Kindly consider checking me out. I'm loving this environment.
Wow, welcome.
The serenity,
African
serenity.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to for you to take me around.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Yeah, so I'm going to serve them their meal before it gets cold. So let me start with.
Don't forget yourself.
Yeah.
No, Kemi, you don't finish this one. We're eating with you.
Oh, that's why there's two spoons.
Yeah.
Okay.
And here.
I think I'm the one missing out.
Welcome, Miss Claire.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hi.
The food really looks wow. Guys,
Thank
just
you.
Take a look. Oh my god, I'm even salivating.
You're welcome.
Wow,
Even
wow.
this one, it was your
And
plate.
where is yours? Because you cannot serve us like the whole food. And also
No, it's
this
there.
one is too much. We should like share both of us so that you don't miss. You know, you're the chef here.
There
Wow,
are
the
two
food-
spoons
Oh, the two.
for the couples.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah. Okay,
welcome.
thank you. I thought that this was all mine.
No.
Because it's too much. Guys, take a look at the food. Wow. Maybe say
Welcome.
something. Say hi to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome back to Miss Play YouTube channel. My name is Baby Caro, and in case you haven't subscribed to her channel and you're from my side, kindly subscribe. Today Miss Play, Nasto, and also there's a visitor who
just
came. Yeah, you are welcome, and they just came right on time when the meal is ready.
Yeah,
so
they normally say when you go to someone's house and you find them cooking, that means, or maybe you find them they've started eating. It means that you guys have been talking good about that family.
That's
so maybe,
true.
Yeah.
And you can't live without eating, even if you are full.
Yeah.
Yeah. So welcome. Enjoy the meal, and yeah, we love you so
Thank
much.
you. Wow,
Enjoy
it
the
really
meal.
looks so good. And guys, it really smells so nice. With me, you know me, guys, I really love like cooking, and such things really excite me so much. Yeah. So thank you so
Wow.
much, baby Carol, for
Welcome.
your nice hospitality.
Welcome.
Yeah, so maybe let me say hi. Hey guys,
Okay.
my name is Miss Flair. I'm also a content creator, and it's pleasure to be here at Baby Carol's channel.
Yeah.
So you can also go and check me out, subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate so much. Yeah, and guys, just take a look at this meal. Like, actually, when we arrived, she was making it, and I was seeing like the struggles.
There's more.
The struggles behind the camera, like what it took to make this nice meal, guys, was
Yeah.
crazy. But anyway, the food really looks nice. The
Yeah.
aroma, like, I can't really wait to taste it.
Thank
So
you.
thank you again, baby Carol.
Welcome.
And also, I'd really love to invite you over maybe one day when you're having free time. You can also come and visit me, so maybe we can cook together, because I
Wow.
also noticed you love cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can.
Any day
we
you're
can try.
free,
We
you
can
can
try it
call
out.
me. Any day you're free, you
but
can
with
call
me, you
me.
know, I'm always free because I'm always indoors. Maybe
Okay.
it's maybe you,
Wow.
because you're the one. Maybe you come far, and maybe sometimes you are not available. So it's up to you. So anytime you are
I'm
free,
available. Even if you want tomorrow,
Yeah.
I'll still come. Then we prepare it.
yeah. So we just get in contact and we plan what we'll be making that day. Yeah. So
Welcome.
anyway, thank you. I know Nafta is waiting.
Okay. Enjoy the meal.
Yeah, thank you. He's
Okay.
And guys, he's the one and only.
Okay, so they are going to enjoy the meal on the other side, and today we received some special visitors, 3 special visitors, and I'm glad they are going to enjoy my meal. There's nothing which I feel nice like when a visitor come and you enjoy the meal together. Visitors, they are blessings, and for me, I really appreciate so much. I wish even for more, even if you feel like flying from your country to come here, I'll cook for you the best African food and bring you on the table. So this is it. We've come to the end of the video, and I'll always love you. And in case you want to also try the food, that was the recipe. I know many people haven't tried frying the sweet potatoes. You can try it, and it's one of the best meals. You'll love it. So my name is Baby Caro, and in case you haven't subscribed, kindly check me out, and also to all my friends who have just introduced themselves, kindly do so. And I love you. Bye. We'll meet on bye 2025. I wish you a happy new year, a prosperous happy new year 2025. So we'll meet on, when will it be? Today is on oh my. Today is on Monday. Today is on Monday. So tomorrow is Tuesday. Imagine Wednesday is going to be the new year on 1st, and Wednesday it was still on 25th. Last Wednesday it was Christmas Day. So yeah, we love you so much. So we'll meet again next time, and love you.